Hi guys! So this little video is going to kind of help you figure out what to do each week and what is going to be happening on the computer. So this is our homeroom page. This is what it should say up at the top. You can see my little mouse moving around. So make sure that you're in the right place. Everything, all your little classes and assignments are going to be up here in the homeroom section. And then if you scroll down, you'll see little videos that Miss Carr made, just like this one. And all you have to do is click on the little triangle button. And there it is, there's me. And so you'll just click on the little triangle button again and watch the video to learn more information, maybe see a lesson, things like that. So those are the videos that you guys are going to be seeing. So that's pretty cool. And same thing for this little video too. You just click that and then click the triangle button and you'll be able to watch your lesson for the day or for the week. You'll also scroll down and you'll see little things like this. This is called online learning, and this is mainly for your parents so that they kind of know what's happening and what's going on. If you can read it, go ahead and read it, or you can read it to your parents, that's fine. Or just show your moms and dads, hey, this is something that you need to look at, Miss Carr says so. And then we keep going down. This is a little schedule for you. It's also more for your moms and dads, so have them take a peek at that as well. If you need to get a hold of me through your moms and dads, or your moms and dads want to get a hold of me, you click on this one that says contact Miss Carr. It'll have my email and how they can get a hold of me through Class Dojo. So if you have any questions on any of the things that you have to get done, or your parents are having a hard time figuring something out, or you're having a hard time figuring something out, click on this and your mommies and daddies can get a hold of me. So there you go. If you ever need help with anything, even though we're not at school, I'm still here to help. I'm still your teacher, and that's my job, so that's what I'm here to do. And then this little thing down here, it says the week of March 30th, and it's a little pink folder looking thing. And you're going to click on the words, the week of March 30th. And when you click on it, it'll take you to this lovely little page. And so this is everything that you have to get done for the week. So I said in my other video that this is just like regular school, and so it is. So we still have specials classes, reading classes, writing, science, and we even have some of our brain breaks built in as well, because you know we like to eat our snack and watch our little videos when our brains need a break in the afternoon. So we're still going to be doing those things too. So let's click on the specials folder. So when I click on the specials folder, you guys are going to see music, PE, art, and STEM. STEM is our science class. Remember how we go to the 5th grade building and we work with Miss Tatunik? So that is our science class. So they're going to have things in here for you to do every week as well. So you can do one every day, you can do 2 a day. If you want to do art and music in one day, or PE and art one day, you're more than happy to. Or you can just do music one day, or PE one day, or science one day. It doesn't matter as long as you're getting your work done and they can see that you're getting your work done. So once I'm in here, if I want to go back to my old page that I was just on, I come up here and I can click this little button right here, and then as you can see, it pops up and it says the week of March 30th. So we're going to click that little button and it takes us back to our little main page for the week of March 30th. So then we have our reading. So let's go to reading. So let's say after I finish my special classes, I'm going to go into reading. So I'm going to click reading. And then you can see that there's other little folders. So this is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you'll have things to get done on Monday. You'll have things to get done on Tuesday, things to get done on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now you can break it up where if you only want to do Monday's activity, you can only do Monday's activity. That's fine. If you want to do Tuesday's activity one day, that's fine too. If you want to do Monday and Tuesday in one day, go for it. It's all up to you and your parents and what you think that you want to do and what you think that they want you to do. So talk with your parents. Work out a schedule on how much school you want to do each day. You can do all Monday through Friday in one day if that's what you want to do. It's up to you. but it's going to be like a regular school day, so there's going to be a lot in here that you have to get done every day, just like we would at school. I told you we're going to have a little lesson, and you're going to have to do your stations. So if you want to get everything done on Monday, you go for it. But really, you only have to work on your Monday folder on Monday, your Tuesday folder on Tuesday, your Wednesday folder on Wednesday, and your Thursday folder on Thursday, and so on. So to get back to everything, all of our little subjects, math, reading, writing, we're going to click this button right here. And we're going to hit back. Oh, and that took us to our special, so we're going to hit back again. And there we go. So now we're back on the week of March 30th. And so then the next thing to do is our brain break. So we're going to click on brain break. And we're going to click on brain break again. And then, ta-da! So this little brain break is actually when we would be doing our lunch and recess time. So this is where you need to set a timer for 30 minutes or however long your parents feel like you need. If they're home with you, set a timer for 30 minutes, grab your lunch, or maybe it's too early for lunch, so grab a snack, whatever you need, and then it says go play. So this is the time to take so you can play at home, go outside and run around a little bit in your backyard, whatever you do at home, however you play. Grab your tablet, play a computer game if you want, whatever you need to do. However you play at home, I want you to go and I want you to play because play is very important. So let's do some play time just like how we would at recess time. Just make sure when you come back you wash your hands. So that's what you're going to do during this time because, you know, we go to specials and then we do our reading and then we go to lunch and recess. So it's just like school, just like how I told you guys it would be. So instead of clicking this little button up here, I can also click this right here. Do you see how it says week of March 30th? So I can go and I can click that too. So there's two different ways I can get back to all my assignments and things that I have to get done. So I clicked on that. And then so after our little lunch and recess, we always come in from lunch and recess and we do math. So let's click on math. And you'll see the same thing that we do for reading. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'm going to click on Monday. And normally you guys are going to see some things inside the Monday. So you'll see a little video of Miss Carr teaching a lesson. And then you'll have your little stations that you have to do. Right now it's empty because Miss Carr is still working on the lessons that you guys need to do. But this folder will be filled and you'll be able to just click, click, click and get it all done. So let's go back. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click on week of March 30th. And I'm going to click. And it's going to take me back to the beginning. So there you go. That's really all you need to know right now. This is just to kind of get you started and get you exploring Schoology. And as I post assignments and things that you guys need to get done, your stations and your books, I'll make one of these little videos again to show you guys how to use those things too. So look out for my little videos. They're very important and they're very, very helpful. And I will see you guys later. Bye!